Konti
Okay.
lang. Konti lang. My mother is from Quezon province and my father is from Bangkok, Thailand.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's nice. Are you
But
working?
no, I'm student. Nagtatrabaho
Oh,
po.
student. I'm
Konti
sorry.
lang. Konti lang. Just a working student. How
So
about you?
working student.
Yeah, how about you? Are you student
I'm
or
I'm
work?
student.
Ah, what grade?
Oh, fourth year college.
Ah, fourth year college. What course?
Mm.
Hmm?
BSIT.
IT?
IT.
IT.
Information technology.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I know that. I know that
Information.
course. It's very hard. Yeah.
Yeah.
But I graduate in the Philippines college.
What course?
BS Ed,
BSI.
Bachelor of Secondary Education. Major in MAPE.
Why are you? But nandyan ka sa Korea?
I'm study again. Master course. Yeah. Then
College.
after my uh, graduate my course and I got a plan to go back in the Philippines
Why?
because I love Philippines. I love Filipino.
Oh,
Yeah,
do you have a family?
yeah, of
I
course.
mean, kids?
No, no, no.
How
I
old
have
are
no
you?
24.
24. Oh,
Hmm. Yeah.
what do you think?
What do you think by
Sa tingin mo, ilang taon ako?
if I guess your age, maybe you are fourth year college and maybe you are 22.
Right? You're correct. Wow.
Hey guys,
Anong pangalan mo ate?
pautang.
Ria.
Ria. Ria. My name is Saichon.
Rian. Ria.
Rian.
Saichan.
Saichon.
Yeah.
Di pa kayo tulog.
Saichan, hello.
I have I have a friend here, Filipino.
Di pa kayo tulog.
Clarence, say hi to my friend,
Hey po.
Filipino. He is
Hello
Filipino,
po.
pure Filipino.
May pang ano ka na, tuition.
Thank you, ate.
Magkano pa ulam?
Thank you.